All right, how's everybody doing today? I am doing a quick video for you today on how to get reviews when you are brand new. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Scott Jelinek with the Master Investor Academy, and this is just going to be a real short video because a lot of people ask me this. They say, well, I'm always telling people you got to have reviews. In this world we live in today, everybody is checking you out online, and you have to have reviews. But if you're brand new and you don't have a whole lot of clients, how do you go about getting brand news? So first and foremost, getting reviews is an active job. You cannot just do good service, deal with your customers, and then hope that they're going to take the time out of their day and go online and post a review on you. They're not going to. Very rarely does it happen. 99% of the time, the only people who go out of their way, go online to post a review, are people who are pissed off and they're posting a negative review. So to combat that, you need to have positive reviews. And the only way to get positive reviews is to be proactive and asking people to post reviews. So how do we do them when we're brand new? I'm going to tell you two separate things that I do to give me a steady flow of reviews, especially when you're brand new. So first and foremost, let's say you have a We Buy Houses website. You set up Google My Business, as we teach everybody to do. So when people Google it, you pop up, but yet you have no reviews. If you were to get one negative review now, you're going to be 1 star and you're going to look absolutely awful and nobody's ever going to click on your site. So it is critically important that you flood it with positive reviews. So the way we do that when you're brand new is twofold. So first and foremost, you can have people write your reviews. Now, not lying. We're not going to ask anybody to lie and pretend that they used your services or any of that stuff. We're going to have them write, they're going to click on your business, mind you, to write a review, but they're going to write a review on you, not on your business. So they can say something along the lines of, I have known Scott for 5 years and he's been a completely honest, stand-up, dependable guy. I would recommend anybody doing business with him. He's not saying I sold my house to Advantage Home Buyers or to Scott. He's just strictly giving a review on you. This way you're not lying. You're not asking anybody to do anything at all unethical. You're strictly asking them to write a review on you, even though it's going to be under your business heading, Advantage Home Buyers of America, or whatever your business name may be, and they're going to write a review on you, on their relationship with you, on how they feel about you. You're a trustworthy guy. They highly recommend you're somebody they would work with. So that's first and foremost. You call everybody that you know, anybody that you know, and you ask them to write a review on you. So then you're going to have 2, 3, 10, 5-star reviews. Hopefully 5-star reviews. If people don't like you, don't be asking them to do reviews on you. So anyway, so you're gonna have a bunch of positive reviews. So when somebody's scrolling through all these companies, clearly they're gonna see ones with 0, no stars, 5 stars, 2 stars, and then they're gonna see yours with 10, 20, 30 5-star reviews. It's gonna kick up the amount of leads you get drastically. The second thing that I do for reviews is going to be, I have 108 properties right now. So I have a lot of properties and we have people come in constantly that we sell to on the slow flip method. Even though these are buyers, they're still through our company. So what we do is when someone's coming in to do their paperwork, I offer them I have a sheet written up that if they will write us a review while they're sitting right there, I give them a $10 credit off their moving expenses. So yes, it costs me $10, but think about how many 2, 3, 5 people are coming in every month. Now, this depends if you have rentals and how many you have. But when they come in to do the paperwork, there's no time that they love you more than when they're sitting at the table with you and you're handing them the keys. So if you ask them right then and there, hey, would you mind just writing me a review on how it was working with us? Again, they might be buying, but they're still listing it under your company review, your company Google. And so when you can set it right up on their phone, they type it in, they write out their review, and then we give them a $10 credit toward whatever their moving expenses were. If there was a $3,000 down payment or whatever, they're going to get $2,990. They're going to get $10 off. I am fine with spending that $10 because reviews are priceless. In this world we live in today, everybody checks your reviews, and the more positive you have, people will blindly follow you because they know 50 people, 60 people have all said, yes, I've worked with him and he's come through on everything he said. So trust me on this. Do not just let it hang out there and hope that people that are happy with you are going to write them, because they're not. Nobody takes the time to do it. Generally, the only people who take the time to write reviews are people who are pissed at you. And so you want to make sure you're proactively getting positive reviews. That's all I have to share with you today. I get asked that a lot. I always tell people to get reviews, and they're like, well, how can I get reviews? I haven't done any business yet. So I just wanted to share that with you so you know how to go about getting started. Do not wait on it. Be proactive. Go ahead and get your reviews. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, click like on this video, and share it. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.